today is passive income. People need to be focused on not, before you get wealth, don't worry about wealth creation, worry about passive income, not earned income. Get your earned income. Second thing is you need passive income. Income that you get paid, I'm talking to your audience now, whether you work or don't work, whether you go to work, don't work, sick or not sick, whether there's a COVID or not a COVID, a war or not a war, you still get paid every month. That is the only true money on this planet.
All right, guys, welcome. Today, I'm going to be talking about Foxify. Foxify is a platform. It's a perps platform where pretty much you can decide, if Bitcoin's going to go up or Bitcoin's going to go down. You got to buy and sell. You have a leverage, so you can leverage up to 100x on certain coins. Here's a list of all the coins and the different leverage options you have. So you got Bitcoin 100x, Ethereum 100x, Solana you can do 100x, and then it goes down. Different cryptos 10x or 20x. I think the minimum is 10x. I believe is the lowest. No, 5x. I'm sorry. So you actually can get 5x is the lowest, and it goes all the way up to 100x. Today I'm going to try to show you guys how to make $100 a day. I've pretty much been making $100 a day for the last couple of days, just off of $100. But today, I guess I'm going to try to speed track it because I'm going to put in another $100, give me a total of $194. This is on a Sonic blockchain, so you will need USDC on Sonic to participate in this platform. Let's get some Sonic, turn it into USDC, and make a deposit right here. Click deposit. As you see, I just deposited $100. I'm gonna hit max, approve deposit, and I'll show you how I do this platform, which technical indicators I use in this platform, and I pretty much use the RSI and the MACD. That's pretty much all you need. And you try to find a pair that has a high volume, because a high volume, it means pretty much the price is going to be moving. You don't want anything stagnant that's not going up and go down. I'm going to show you an example of that. As you can see, here's Bitcoin, 91,500, and it's constantly moving, right? You see it constantly moving right here? Now, if I was to pick something like, let's see, order. Let me see what this is, order. You see how it's just stagnant? Not that much volume going on. Price is not really changing that much. So you want to try to find something with some high volume in it, all right? So let's go back to, let's see, Bitcoin. And what I use these two indicators, MACD and RSI. If the RSI is real low, like down here, and the MACD price is kind of trending down, this is where you want to go in right here. When it starts turning that pinkish color, it's going to go back up to green. You can catch this little swing right here up. So right now it's trending down. Looks like it's about to come back up. So this is a nice probably opportunity to put in a buy position right here. But let's look at a couple more. Okay, Ethereum. Now this is a good one right here. See Ethereum trending down. Something like this. You see it curving down. You can take a short position and wait for it to curve back up. But I like to buy. So I don't like to sell. So I'm gonna wait till this starts to curve down some more. Hopefully, if I get another pink block, I might put in a buy position for here. But it's a nice time to put in a sell position if you want to see it go down. Let's see Solana. Solana's another one's on a trend down. It's kind of stagnant in the RSI. Let's see what else we got in here. There's like over 100 different cryptocurrencies you can choose to trade from. Let me see if I get any comments. No comments. Okay, good. So let's see what else we got. Aster's been solid. Did this whole bear run. There's another one's moving pretty fast. 111. RSI is pretty high. MACD is pretty high, so I'm gonna skip that one. Let's find something. Look, it's up 52% today. Turbos. Wow. Just caught it right here and rolled it up. I think I missed the boat on that one. It's another Merrill 10X. No. I'm gonna find something here, guys. Find something. Let me go to my favorites. Let me see, BNB. BNB's trending down. This is something I like to get into something here. So I'll wait on this a little bit, see the next block. If it's down, if it turns pink, I might go in. This is a perfect example right here. It has red, red. Had one pink, then red, and it started getting pink, start getting lower and lower. Once you see something like this, this is when you want to go in right here, especially when that dip, RSI dips like that. Boom. Perfect opportunity, and you can ride it all the way up like this. So this is what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for this to repeat right here. I'm looking, see, there's the pink. So let's go in. I'm going this one right here. So I got 196 in here. So you can adjust your 50x leverage. I like using 50x. So I'm going to switch this up to about 90%. Let's go buy along. Boom. Confirm it. And now I'm in this position. Now, once I'm in a position, I like to pretty much wait until it goes up. Like, for example, this goes up to 8. It just went down. If it goes up to 890, say 95, what I would do, I'll come down here and I'll put in the, let me refresh the screen so it can pop up. And when it goes to about 890, like 890-ish, 891, I'll put it in my stop loss so that I lock in my profits. Right now I'm down $14 and my liquidation, which means I will lose all my money if this price hits 878. Right now we're at 888. So if it goes down $10, all my $200 right here, 169 will be gone. I'm just gonna wait and see. Maybe I got in just a little bit too early. We'll see the next block if it's pink or not. But it's 888, so we'll see. I don't think it's going to go down to 878. I hope it doesn't. And it hasn't been 878 in a while. We have to go down to where it was 878. But right around here, yeah, it's not gonna get that low, I don't think. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait, and hopefully it turns around, which I think it will. 888. But what I also want to show you about Foxify is that you can get a funded account. If I go over here to funded, for some reason, my funded account is not working right now. So I put in a ticket for them to fix my funded account, because once you get a funded account, you can really grow your earnings, guys. And I'm just going to give you a walkthrough through the funded account, how that works. So if you go over here, I got a link in the description below as well. You get an extra bonus if you can get to the pro level with the funded account. But this is the funded account. You can start with $100 USDC collateral deposit, receive a funded account of $500 USDC. So basically, once you deposit $100, you will get $500 automatically to trade with, which is kind of very, very, very cool. This is what I usually use. But like I said, my funded account is not working right now, so I can show you guys how it works. Initial drawdown is 20%. Your profit share is 80%. So you keep 80% of the profits. So once again, you start off with $100. You click this on your screen. If you haven't started, it should be already started. Click already started. And then once you start it, you deposit $100 USDC, and you will see $500 right here pop up, right? And you can trade with $500, right? And you keep 80% of the profits, guys, 80%. And if you make $100, right, it's on a point system. So if you make $100 off that $500, you automatically go to the next level, which is this level right here. You have $500 USDC, and they will give you an account size of $2,500 USDC to use. Once again, you keep 80% of the profits. All right. Very, 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 very good program. Let me see if you can find about the funding right here. Let me see what it says. This gives you like the white paper, tell you about the funded and everything. So this is the funded white paper, and it tells you about the funding and everything, which is pretty cool. Like an instant funding, no qualifications or eval to complete. High profit share trades, keep 80%, totally decentralized, ensures 100% impartiality and fairness. Dynamic trading model, no restricted trading rules, instant withdrawals, no KYC at all as well. So that is very, very bullish. Guys, you got any comments? Put any comments you have, put them on the screen. It was going to automatically pop up. I answer all questions and comments. But today I'm going to show you guys basically how to make $100 a day, hopefully. And I'm just going to keep monitoring my my position. But that is the funded account, guys. Let me see if I can any FMS journey. Well, that's pretty much it. But definitely check out the funded account. Like I said, you want to get a funded account. The link is in the description below. It'll automatically come to this screen. And like I said, if you use my code, it just automatically populate. You'll get an extra bonus once you hit that pro level. Then you get like a $250 bonus if you use the link in the description below. It's just for users of this channel. Special promotion they gave me. Let's go back to the main account. I just want to show you how the stop loss works real quick. All right, let's go back to BNB. So it's still trending down, 889, still staying stable. Arrows pointing up, so it should be about to turn up, which is a good thing. Stop loss is pretty simple. If you want to do a stop loss, you click right here, add full take profit or stop loss. You can add a partial take profit stop loss. I just click on the add the full. And what I use is I just blank this out, boom. And then right here, stop loss, I'll put my stop loss to like, once it goes up in the green, I might put it at like 8.92, right? Lock that profit into $14. And then I'll just keep adjusting it throughout the day. I'll adjust it 8.92. If it goes up to 8.50, I might adjust to 8.95, lock in at $42. If it goes up to 8.60, I'm say if it goes up to 910, I'll just switch this to 900 and lock in $88. And I just do it that way. That way I do not lose anything on my trades. And you can do it vice versa as well. You can do, right now, the price is sitting at 888. So say I don't want to lose all my how much I have in here? $175 at the moment. So say I want to just play it safe where I don't want it to go past 8. My liquidation is 878. So if I punch 880, that means I'm gonna lose $96. I can punch at 885. I'm only gonna lose $50. So you pretty much can decide how much you're gonna lose or how much you're gonna make in this platform using the stop loss. I truly think anybody that gets into perps should definitely take advantage of the take profit or stop loss. I just don't do the take profits. I just pretty much just use the stop loss in my situations and do it that way. If you look at my order history, let me see my order history, right? Let's go down so I can show you some history. All right, this is some of the profits. Like I said, I've been making $100. So you can see, got in Solana right here. Filled at 36 Solana. Average price is 128. I made $65 on that one. Here's another one. I made $13 on AVAX. AVAX is moving kind of slow. It's not a fast mover, so I made only $13 on that one. This is BNB. Had my CC. This is SL, stop loss. So I'm always using my stop loss. So it's my stop loss right here where I made $111. I think that was yesterday. I also got an AVAX, made another $19. BCH, I just got in and got out of that one because they didn't make any money yesterday. And then I got a BTC yesterday, another stop loss. 89.7 was the trigger. I made $128 on that one. And the fees are very, very low. Profit of $128 and the fees only $3.68. All right. Got a BNB, made another $38 on that one. This was a mini loss on this one. Had my stop loss. I just took my little minus 566. Wasn't moving that much. BTC, another $12 profit. And I just got in BNB just now with you guys on screen. And got in average price $890. Right now we're sitting at $889. So looks like it's gonna turn upwards. It's going down, pink, pink, pink. That's what you want to see, guys. You want to see red, 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 then start to see that pink, just like this. History repeats itself pretty much. Look, history repeats itself. Red, pink, pink, pink. Then it goes up. That's when you take your profit. Take your profit right here. Put your stop loss in so you don't lose anything. Once it start going down, you have to stop loss or trigger. You get out and you wait till it go back down. Rinse and repeat. Boom, goes down. Boom, boom, boom. Wants to get that first one. Boom, 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 boom. Pink, pink, pink. Boom, goes up. This one, it didn't do what it's supposed to do, but it went back down. Had one green one. It's like a fake out. Went back down. Came back up. Profits. Go back down. Come back up. Take your profits. This is a good one right here. Boom. So got down. Slow number right here. Back up. Boom. It's going back down. Hopefully turns pink and goes back up to green. But we shall see. I'm going to stay on this stream until it turns pink and green. So maybe an hour, maybe a long stream, maybe till 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. But I'm just going to keep streaming because I got nothing else to do. It's Black Friday. I don't want to be in all that mess today. What's everybody else going to do today? Let me know in the comments what your plans are for today. And take it from there. Let's just watch and see. That's the layout. Hopefully it turns pink and green. RSI starting to trend up a little bit. Just a little bit. Come on, turn all the way up, baby. Keep going, turn all the way up. Let me get 890, 891, 892, 893. Volume's not moving too fast, so hey, it may not move that fast today. Maybe everybody's out shopping. But like I said, this is where you can set your stop loss and just come back and check on it. You know? Do I think BNBs can go down to 880? No. So I will come over here to my position. I got in at 878. You know, I'm just going to show you how it works. So I'll go in here. Boom. Let's put 880. I don't think it'll get on 880. I'll lose 96 bucks, but hey, it's the most I can lose. Is it confirm? Confirm. Boom. I'm in there. That's simple. All right. Oh, it's curving up. It's trying to curve up. You see it? It's trying to curve up. So we may be in a positive. Hopefully it gets back up to 896, 897. We'll see. See, this is where I got in. The first green line is where I got in. The second green line is the current price right now. So I got in at $890. Well, what did I get at? 890. Average is 890.41. Mark price 890.15. Leverage. What is my leverage? My current leverage is 44x. Is the leverage. Just a wait and see game. That's all it is. A lot of day traders just sit home all day, do exactly what I'm doing, make $100 a day, $200 a day, $1,000 a day. Just imagine if I had $1,000 in here, right? And it goes up, 4%, 5%. It's a matter of minutes. Take that, boom, rinse and repeat. The more you have, the more leverage you have, the faster the price goes up. With BNB, the max leverage is 50x, which is good. 44x, that's like the sweet spot. I think I'm using 90%, 184 bucks. We shall see. 20 minutes. 187. Deposit 190. 190. Down $6, I believe. Let's see how much I'm down. $3. Down $3. Only down $3. Trying to turn it to 200, 250, 300. We'll see. Not too much volume today. Should have waited till Monday to do this video. Let's check on BNB. See where BNB. Let's check on BTC. A little bit more volume over BTC. Usually this thing is flying like it's pretty slow today. It's a Sunday, I guess. RSI is pretty in the middle of this one as well. But you can see, guys, go down, red. When it starts turning pink, usually right here, you put your buy in, and just ride it all the way up to about right here, and sell it. Once you get that top green, you get that first light green, that's when you put your sell in. And wait for it to go back down to the red like it is. Boom, 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 boom. Go down, boom, boom, boom. Rinse and repeat. Boom, boom, boom. It's all cycles, guys. Rinse and repeat. It's all cycles. It's about to turn green. As you see, you got the 3. Boom, boom, boom. That's another signal. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. Boom. It's going to turn green. You can catch it on the way up. So it's at 91,555. Now watch. If I do my little indicators, let me see. I don't want to use that one. Bars, line, how candles. Where's the little lines? The lines are so long. You can use all type of indicators too. You got that MACD, relative strength index, all these different indicators you can use. Another one I like to use is the Keltner channel. Let me see if I can find it. Okay. Here we go, Keltner channels. Usually when it gets to the bottom of the Keltner channels like this, boom, it goes back up again. Once it gets below it like this, boom, you can pretty much prepare for it to go back up. So now I got 3 indicators on here. I was trying to find that little the little bar I can do the thing on here. You use trading view in a while. Take profit, limit orders, stop loss, trailing loss. Function. They must have took it off. Bars. Candles, I like the candles. Hollow candles, check that out. Ooh. Candles. Baseline. Might need to start using some new indicators. Settings. I was trying to look for the indicator to use the bar, but I can't find it, so must have changed it up. Any comments, MC? We got one viewer. All right, let's go back to my BNB. Still pushing up. There we go. Still pushing up. You see the arrow right there? RSI is turning up. Give me some green, baby. Down $1 now, so 61 cents, 52 cents. That's all right. Going in the right direction. Let's get back up to 895, 896, so I can lock in some profits, so I can end the stream. So how long have we been streaming right now? For 25 minutes. Got in this position about 20 minutes ago. At 192. No viewers today? Everybody must be shopping today. Everybody must be stuffed from their Thanksgiving turkey dinner they had yesterday. You know what? I went over my wife's friend's house. I forgot to take home some leftovers. I should have took home some turkey so I can eat some turkey today. I might gotta go back over there and get some more leftovers. Won't you leave somebody's house for Thanksgiving? Are you allowed to go back to their house and get some more leftovers? I never did that before. I'm going to stream until I make some money. $100 a day. It's very simple to make. Just stay focused. If you got the time. I'm making $100 a day off of $100. Today I just put in an extra $100 for the hell of it. I took my profits from yesterday and rolled them over, just so I can try to speed up the process of making $100 a day. Got this nice little candle here I'm staring at. Anybody else like candles? This is a Yankee candle. Got that from Yankee Candle Store. Lilac Blossoms. Smell pretty good. I like candles. I got a whole bunch of candles on my desk. My favorite candle is this lemon drop candle. Oh, it smells so good. And it has a crackling sound. It smells just like lemons. I love lemons. The smell of lemons. No viewers. Okay, well, I guess I'll make money by myself today. But guys, if you do get into Foxify, I suggest you get the funded account. Like I said, my funded account is not working right now. I put in a ticket for them to fix it. So I'm just waiting for that. But until then, I'm on a regular funded account with no extra money, no 80-20. It's all 100% right here, buddy. All right, so we're still looking good on the RSI, trending up. It's at the bottom of the Kelton channel. And then, once it gets to the top of the Kelton channel, it's pretty much when you want to sell. Or when that first candle breaks out of the Kelton channel, like something like this. You see it break out of the Kelton channel? That's when you want to buy too as well. Then it's below the Kelton channel. That's when you want to buy, like right here. Right here. I wish I had my indicator. Where I gotta figure out how to get the bars. They take that off of Trader View. It's right because it's a free version. Just thought about that. But so we're looking good right here as far as going up. Even though it's trending down still, Hopefully with it spiking up like that, it should go up. I got my second pink. All I'm looking for now is the third pink bar to confirm. Once I get the third pink bar, it should be off to the races, just like this. Boom, boom, boom. The third one just confirms it's going to be trending upwards. But now, look, just went to the right. 890. I'm in profit. $4 and $5 right now. $5.77, $5.68, $6. So let's do this. Let's go back to my stop loss. Let's raise that up a little bit. Like I said, this is all I do. So it's 880. Let's take it back up to 883. All right, so the most I can lose right now is $60. And just keep moving your stop loss up and up and up throughout the day. Then once you're in full profit, that's when I leave, go get something to eat or whatever, because I know I can't lose any money. All I can do is make money. Got the second green bar right there. That's looking good. All right, so at 194, still got another 100 to go. Am I think I'm gonna get 100 today? Probably not, because the volume's not there. Maybe I have to wait till the weekend or Monday through Friday. This thing is taking off. I usually don't trade on the weekends anyway, but today is Friday. Well, today's Friday. It's not really the weekend, but most people are out shopping today, not worrying about crypto like me. Sit back and relax. Listen to some music. Somebody got some music on, some festive music on here. Let's see. Put something on here. We've had some people here. We can talk about other projects. I can go to other projects, check them out, and come back to Foxify. $200. Let's hit the 200 mark. So we up $10 now. $891. Raise my stop loss to $885. Most I can lose is $50. Why didn't it adjust? Oh, let's say I refresh the screen. Refresh. And now it's profit so far. Let's need that third pink bar to confirm. Got any questions? One viewer, let me know you got any questions, buddy. I think everybody's shopping today. Not too many people on the stream, but this is my stream where I'm going to show you guys how to make $100 a day, like I've been making for the last couple days. The volume is not too crazy right now. I guess everybody's shopping today, or everybody got Thanksgiving hangover still in the bed. But right now we got 202. So we got another $95 to go to make my $100 a day. Right now we're in profit of $10.59. But looking good. Got the RSI trending up, and hopefully this starts to trend back up to the green. And you can see what we got in right here, the bottom of the Keltner channel, 889. And right now we're sitting at 891.61. Not much volume, so it'll probably take us a minute to get up there. It's Friday, Black Friday. Everybody's spending their money. I'm trying to make some money. $11.52, $14, $18. Okay, going in the right direction. Let me increase my stop loss again. Every time we go up, I increase that stop loss. We can lock in some profits. Let's change that to 8. Let's go up that. One more screen, 86. Most I can lose is $40 now. Boom. That's simple to do your stop loss, guys. 16, 15, 85 more to go. looking good. RSI's coming up. You see it starting to curve up. Once this blue passes the red, it's off to the races, guys. Perfect example. Once this blue passes the red, off to the races. Blues hopefully about to cross over the red. Green, back to the races. We get some money, more money, more money, more money. Easy, rinse and repeat. Like I say, the cycle is definitely just repeats itself over and over and over. Nobody should be broke out here. You got stuff like this, 20 bucks. And if I had a funded account, I will already be at $100, guys. That's how fast it goes. But my funded account has a glitch in it. I'm upset about that. So just let you guys know, the funded account is the way to go. For you two people that are here, definitely leave a comment, interact with your boy. I'll show you the funded account. Once again, this is the funded account. You start with 100 bucks. Let me go back to the main screen. Let me get out of this one. Let's go to funded. Part of the journey, right? This is the funded account right here. We'll start with 100 bucks, $100 USDC collateral deposit. Receive a funded account size of $500 USDC. So once you deposit your $100 in USDC on the Sonic blockchain in your wallet, you come over here, hit the link in the description below. Because if you use my code CryptoPride, one word, or you hit the link in the description below, it'll automatically take you to this screen right here. And this screen is gonna be how this is gonna be black. This is gonna be actually orange. You can click on orange. And deposit your 100 bucks. Once you deposit your 100 bucks, this right here is gonna turn it to 500 bucks, right? And you be able to trade with 500 bucks. But the kicker is you keep 80% of the profits, guys. You keep 80% of the profits. So you make 1,000 bucks. You give Foxify 200. You keep 800. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing this forever, but I got a glitch in my account, so I can't show you that today. So I'm on a regular site. All right? I'm on a regular site, which is let me go back to perps. This is the regular site right here. See, this is all 207 bucks. That's all me, 100%. I'm not sharing this. But the funded account, like I said, all you gotta do is get the funded account, and you keep 80% of the profits. Showed you guys history, order history. You see, made 12 bucks right here. Lost 566, made 38, made 128, made 55, made 19, made 100 bucks. Very easy to do in this platform. There we go, guys. This is what we were looking for. Oh, that's BTC. Let me go back to BNB. My account. All right, so it's about to cross. We're almost there. We're almost there. Once this blue crosses the red, off to the races. We got 2 green bars so far. Our eyes trending upward. Looking good. We're looking good. And profit $22, $892.83, $80 more, 78 more dollars to go. Get you there. I'm gonna get up to 890. We're at 892, about 895, 896. Get back up to these levels right here that we were a little earlier. Boom, 898. Be nice. I'm using 44x or 38x leverage. You can use up to 50x leverage, guys. Some of these coins you can use 100x leverage. BCH 10x. Solana 100x. BTC you can use 100x leverage. Ethereum you can use 100x leverage. Cake token you can use a max of 10x leverage. BNB max 50x leverage. Aster 10x stable. So we got all these different cryptos you can choose from. Over 100 different cryptos you can choose from, guys. You come in here, you can find out what's green, what's running. So let's see. The highest we got right here is what? Let's see what's the highest we got. Change it again. Go up to the top. See what we got. Last 24 hours. Turbo has been taking off 42%. Volume 209,000. Merle up 12%. Meme. So meme token trade meme tokens too. Up 12%. So these are the latest last 24 hours. What's popping? Or like me, I like doing the buy. Some people just like shorting stuff. So you can go over here, you can change it up. What's going down the most? So we got Mon, whatever that is. That's trending down. So you might put a short in this. Maybe it's gonna go down even more. DK, RBV. So you can use different ways to basically make money. You know what I'm saying? We got the 100, like I said, over 100 different. You can search by volume if you want. What's the most value? BTC, of course, then Ethereum, the Solana. Okay. No comments yet. Okay. At 214. It's a wait and see game. That's all it is. And the only reason why I'm waiting is because I'm doing a live stream. Any other time, I'll just set my stop loss to a certain point when we're at 30 bucks. So let's raise this up some more. 893. Every time it goes up, take my stop loss up $1. Raise that. 87. Now the most I can lose is $31. Now, if you're cool with losing $31, you can go, you can leave, go get some breakfast, come back. Next thing you know, it's up $8.95. You can sell or raise your stop loss even more, lock in your profits. That's what I do. Rinse and repeat. This is what you want to see. When you're doing a setup, this is exactly the setup you want to see. RSI is trending up. MACD is about to cross over. Boom. You do this with every single coin. Right? Every single coin you can do this with. You got Bitcoin Cash. I'll do the same damn thing. I should have got to this right now. I'll do another. If I was getting into a position, I would start this one right here. This is exactly what you want to see. Boom. 3. Especially if you see 3 pink in a row. Boom. You know what's up. And the RSI is trending up. Boom. So we at 535. It's easy to get back up to 541. Make some money that way too as well. As a matter of fact, I should get another position, put another $100 in my account, and get into this one right now. Should have got into it right here when I seen it earlier. You seen it earlier? People that were on a live stream earlier, when I first started, I was looking at BCH, remember? When it was right here, 3 reds, and I say, watch, next one pink, this is when you get in. You could have got in at 530, what? 533? And that was at 535, 536. The volume's not there though. Not there yet, but still you can make, like I say, if you sit back and relax, boom, be a perfect opportunity. Solana, let's get Solana. Solana, same way. Boom. See it? 1, 2, about to turn pink. Blue's about to cross the red. Perfect opportunity to get in Solana right now. So if I could just think if I had 3 of these positions open, I could have made that money easy. Easily made $100 by now, but I'm just showing y'all one example. This is what I do every single day. I'm just showing you one example. Now we up $35. All right, let's go back to BTC. We're at 893.94. So we got 70 more bucks to go. So raise that to 888. So I do all day and day long. 888. Confirm. Boom. And the most I can lose is $22 in this trade. Once it goes up to 895, I might just end the stream and just lock it in. That way it'd be even. It'd be even gain. And the rest would be per profit. Still looking good. We haven't even hit the pink, the green bar yet. Now, if it was a high volume day, this thing would have been green by now. Like on a Monday, Mondays are the best day to make money. Monday is the best day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are the best days to make money. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, nobody's really trading, especially when the stock market is closed. Nobody's really trading. It's a Friday. Only glitch day is Black Friday. There we go. Boom. The green bars hit the screen. Should be in profit some more very, very soon. Rinse and repeat. What you do. Like I said, I'm just doing $100, guys. Turning $100 into $200 and cashing out. Imagine if I put in $500. If I'd have put in $500, I would already make $100 a day. But I want to show you guys, you can start small. You can start with a minimum of $10, right? But like I said, if I was you, not financial advice, but I will start with the funded account. Only reason I'm not using my funded account right now because it has a glitch in it. It won't let me start a new challenge. So if I go to my funded account, to say I'm gonna show you an example that says funded account. See, I've been in this funded account since October the 10th, making money. It's what? November the 28th. Oh, let me set my ledger up real quick. Confirm that. Boom. Once again, it's the funded account. You can choose the pro. You can start with $500 and get $2,500 USDT if you want to, and still split the 80-20. But the entry level, like I said, start with $100. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't share my screen, did I? All right, yeah, the entry level, you start with $100 USDC collateral. Receive a funded account size of $500 USDC. Initial drawdown limit 20%. Your profit share is 80%. You keep 80% of the profits, guys. Then once you get to that, once you make $100, you're jumping over here, right? They got different levels. You got a bronze level, the entry level, silver level, bronze level, gold level, and then you get to the pro level. So $500. Next level might be $750. Next level may be $1,000. Then it goes to $2,500. So you got levels you can achieve, guys. 6 different levels of increasing account sizes, up to 10,000 USDC. Even higher with bonus NFTs. Now, if I go to my funded account, like my current dashboard, this is my last one. I actually lost. I had a $2,500 account. I lost $200, so I lost my drawdown. My drawdown was gone. But I can show you the different levels, how long I've been in this thing. Look at this. Since 1010. Boom, 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 boom. It's all different levels. See, when I start a new account, it just goes to start next level. So I'm trying to get this fixed. But it shouldn't be that way for you guys. But I got a ticket in. Once I get that ticket in, believe me, I'm gonna come back on a live stream, hopefully next Sunday, and show you guys how to really make some money. How quick you can make money. But like I said, if I had that funded account, I would already be at $100 a day. Already had that funded account. All right, let's go. Here we go. It was BNB. Where I'm at. Boom. All right, we just broke above the counter. So usually when you break above the counter, sometimes it goes back down. See, this is a perfect example right here. It breaks above the counter. The next one may be a breakdown. So let me lock in my stop loss real quick. I'm already at $65. 897. Let me change that to 893. All right, that way, now look, I'm locking in $23 profit. And whatever happens, it goes down. I cannot lose. I'm in profit already for the day. That's what I'm talking about. $66 already, $68. We got $40 more to go, $33 more to go. This is the highest it's been today. I think it's gonna go to 890. The next candle will be the telltale sign. So this next bar will be a telltale sign, but we're looking good. We got the MACD up, going up, and we got the RSI still looking crazy up. This is what you want to see. Like I said, once this goes up, the rest of cryptos are going to go up. Like BNB, Solana. If I go to BTC, boom, the same thing. So just imagine if I had 2 of these positions open, 2 of them. I'll be in profit on this one. I'll be in profit on that one. Just use the main 3 cryptos: BTC, Ethereum, Solana. You'll see the same pattern going up. Boom, boom. So just think if I had $300 and I put in $100 in Solana, $100 in BNB, $100 in BTC, I'll be at $500, $600 right about now. And that's what you do every single day. There's no reason for somebody to be broke when you got these easy technical analysis you can use. MACD and RSI, that's all you need. That's all you need. And I'll do an accounting channel just to show you guys. Once it goes above the accounting channel like this, you may get another one. Besides just boom, boom. The next one may be red. It's like this. Boom, boom. Just repeat this stuff. Remember that. Just repeat this stuff. Boom, boom. Lock in your profits right here. Lock them in. All right. Let's go back over to BNB. So let me keep an eye on my status. But everything's looking good. Like I said, this is trending up still. This See how it just leaned over to the right, so it may go down. This one's looking good. Like I said, the blue line crossed the red. That's what you want to see. Once that blue line crosses the red, like I said, I told you guys before, if you get on the stream, it's off to the races. Any questions? Any comments? I don't see any comments, any questions yet. So just let me know, guys. If you got any questions about this platform? If you want me to stream like this every single day, let me know as well. But nobody's talking, so I don't know. No questions? This is Foxify platform. Links in the description below. Say get yourself a funded account. You see up top, you got different bonuses. Funded Pro, $5,000 bonus. Once you hit the platinum, you get a $5,000 bonus straight to your wallet. $5,000 straight to your wallet if you complete all 6 channels of the funded account. Or you can use the link in the description below, the special promo for Crypto Pride users only. Crypto Pride users only. Hit the link in the description below. Once you get to the pro level, which is the $500 level, you get $250 back. Automatically sent to your wallet. Just go to the Foxify Discord. Let them know Crypto Pride sent you. Put in a ticket, you'll get $250 back. So totally up to you guys. Easy money. Easy money. This is on Sonic blockchain, so you will need USDC on Sonic to participate. And I like about it, they also have a bridge. I use this bridge all the time. This is a bridge on Foxify, cheap. You can bridge from over 53 different blockchains. Very easy. It takes a second. It's cheap. So that's another thing I like about Foxify. Oh, what happened? What happened? Let's see. You still see me? Oh, yeah, that one. Present the screen. Sorry. There we go. It's BTC. Let's go back over the BNB. So we're looking like 897.02. Still at $60. 896. Stop loss is at $23 profit. $3 more. Let's see. See the RSI is getting kind of slanting over. That's not a good sign. You want to be spiking up, but it's still up. That's the thing, still up. So it's starting to look like this one right here. So if it gets like this, it's gonna go down. Like I said, once it gets out that Kelton channel, the next bar is the key. I think the next bar maybe look just like this. Looks just like this. I might just get out of it, take my profits, then wait till a busy day like Monday. I'll show you guys again how this works. All right, how's it going? We got one. How's it going, Cryptify? How long you been doing this on this platform? And how much you make? Like I said, I've been doing this for a while now. I've been in Foxify for a while because they started off as a. It was actually on another blockchain. This was, and now they switched over to Sonic. And I've been over here since the Sonic blockchain. Once they started the funded account, that's when I came over. So it was about October. I started the funded challenge, but I actually been in this platform before October. I want to say actually been in the platform for years, but I've been doing this $100 challenge for a while now. When we come here, it's making $150, $60. Doing this simple process, the rinse and repeat process. I showed you guys the signals, the 2 technical indicators I'm using, which is the RSI and the MACD, and show you exactly what to look for once it gets down to this level right here. Once it gets the first green block, once it starts trending up right here, the MACD, once it crosses that red line, that's when you pretty much gonna put your buy in right here. This is what I usually do, or wait to the second pink bar, put my buy in, and then I just wait till it gets up to here, and then I'll make sure I'm on the way. I'm locking in my stop loss, like I showed you guys. I'm locking in my stop loss profits, right? So I'll come over here, like it's 893 is my stop loss. So if it gets to 893, no matter what, it's gonna automatically cash me out with a $23 profit, right? And usually when it goes up to 8, like when this goes up, say it goes up to 898, I'll come back down here, stop loss, click right here, and adjust it to 894, right? Now, the lowest profit that I will get would be $33, right? So lock that in. That's simple. Now, regardless what happens, I'm leaving today with $34 profit, right? Which is, we've been on the stream for 55 minutes now, so 33 bucks an hour. Hey, I'll take it. You know what I'm saying? But or I can just get out of it right now and take my $70 profit. So I mean, depending on what your risk tolerance is, it's totally, fully up to you. But like I said, if I would started this stream with 500 bucks, I would have already been way past my goal. But I just rolled my profits over to the next day. Just rinse and repeat. Like I say, if you want me to do these streams every day, I can do streams every day if I want. I can do them just on the weekend. Maybe I do another one next Sunday. But I'm trying to do a different stream. Like I said, I'm starting my live streams back up, so I'm trying to do a different stream every single weekend. The only reason why I'm doing stream days because it's Black Friday. Nobody's working Black Friday, so I decided instead of me sitting at home or going out shopping, why not make another 100 bucks, 200 bucks in a couple hours doing this? What I usually do during the week. But I usually make way more. But like I said, my funded account has a glitch in it. It won't let me start another funded journey. So I'm just doing it the regular way. But even as you see, guys, the regular way without being a funded account, same process still works. So once you see that it works, you see these technical indicators work for once it turns to the green like this, you can just go to the top 3 cryptos. Bitcoin, you'll see the same pattern. Boom. Same pattern, right? You go to Solana, you'll see the same pattern. Boom. What I'm missing? Bitcoin, Solana. Well, you just go to pretty much. Let me see. Let's expand this. Expand. They got 100 different cryptos you can choose from, buddy. 100 different ones and different leverage too. So imagine if I had 100x. I used 100x leverage. I've been way in profit. I'm only using 31x leverage right now out of 50x. You know, the more profit you make, the leverage goes down, the more profit you make, okay? Like I said, you got 100 different cryptocurrencies you can choose from. A lot of people like XRP. Where's XRP at? Let me see if there's in here. XRP. Look at this one. This is y'all favorite, right? I don't like XRP, but some people like it. As you can see, guys, the same pattern. Same pattern. Boom, boom, boom. You can catch it down here. Once you get the first pink or the second pink, catch it down here. And then as it goes down, you're still making money. All the way money. And once that blue cross the red, boom, it's off to the races. So you can get to XRP right now. But I would have rather got into it right here. And just ride the wave up and cash out. Maybe tomorrow, if I'm not doing it tomorrow, I'll show you how to do. Maybe I'll do 3 different cryptocurrencies at the same time just to show you how fast you can make money. So I may put in 300 bucks tomorrow, and then put in 3 different cryptocurrencies. You'll see $77 profit, $77 profit, $77 profit. So now we're at $77. So let me we're at 898.87, about to hit 899. So let me take this up another buck, lock that in, change that to 895, lock in $42 profit at least, right? And we still haven't gotten the second bar yet. So this is looking real bullish. You see, oh, here it comes. Here it is right here. Talk too soon. Once we get the second bar, if it's green, that's very, very bullish. Oh, there it is, red. That's it, guys. Boom, boom, red. Curve down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop it right here. Lock in my 71 bucks. Hold this out. Confirm. Confirm. I'm locking in 71 bucks. Know when to get out, and then play safe. I'll wait till it go back down again and rinse and repeat. But you see the arrow pointing down right here? When you see the arrow pointing down, that means it's going downward. Or what I can do, I can put in the sell. I can change this to sell and short it. Since I know it's going down, I can put in the sell and short it, but just turn green again. So I might have to do a wait and see. But like I said, it's going to be anything like history repeats itself because all the stuff goes in cycles. Here's another one. Boom. Green, up, green, red. It goes down. Okay, and then it repeats itself. Once it goes down, you get the first bar. Boom. All the way up. All the way up. Once it goes above the Keltner channel, next one's red. Goes back down again. All this stuff is a rinse and repeat, guys. So I could put in the sell position right here. Sell it. Boom. And make money of it going down. Let's just do that real quick. Let me show you guys. Let's just do that. Why not? Boom. So let's ride it on the way down. You got 2 double arrows. So that means it's really about to go down. RSI is trending down. And this is curving over to like it's about to go back down too. Refresh. Refresh back at 45x leverage. I'm in negative 890, 877. We can write it down for a little bit, see if it goes down. 5. Let's check the other ones. Let's check BTC. It's the same way. And this is above the RSI, so this is really about to go down. There it is. Boom. Same pattern about to perform. Same pattern. Let's go to Ethereum. Same pattern. About to turn back down. RSI is about to turn down. Let's see. Boom. There it goes. Like I said, guys, this is a rinse and repeat situation. Pretty cool strategy. Yeah. That's what I do every single day, buddy. All this stuff is about patterns. Give you guys free game. Let's go back over to there's my BNB. It's trending down. Still got the arrow going down. The double arrows going down. You see these double arrows? That means it's going down. Sharp turn down now on the RSI, which is good in our case. We'll see. I give it 3 minutes. May go back down to 8. May go back down to 889. Don't you see that pressure, that sell pressure still going down? That's what you want to see. But we'll see. And then, like I said, if you go down here to the take for profit, you can set it to that so that you won't lose that much money. So I can set it to a stop loss at, let's see, we'll be at 887. So I'll do 888. I don't think it's gonna get down that low. 899. The most I will lose is 18 bucks. Right? 900. The most I will lose is 29 bucks. So we're at 897 right now. I think it's gonna get lower. So if it gets to 900 bucks, it's automatically gonna sell up. Right? I can lock in 30 bucks profit. Okay, it's going 898. So let me do that. I don't think it's gonna get to 900, but just in case. We play safe. Always play safe. House money, right? So if it gets to 900, it's automatically gonna sell. And I'll still be in profit. 50 bucks, 60 bucks. Well, hey, we got 3 arrows going down now, so we'll see. I don't know. Mixed signals. Usually I don't short stuff, but I just want to show you guys that you can make money with it going down as well as going up. I usually like going up. I'm just showing you guys that you can make money selling and you make money buying. In fact, man, I hate selling so much because so unless you know like it's bad news, you also can sell on the news. A lot of these trading platforms don't let you sell on the news. You know what I'm saying? If you get bad news, like Trump comes out and says, "I love Bitcoin," and Bitcoin spikes. Most trading platforms won't let you sell. They'll stop it. But not Foxify. Foxify, you can sell if there's news going on or not. Another reason why I like Foxify. Let's hope it gets to 890s. If it gets to 897, it's gonna sell out. Once I get in the green, what's coming right now? 164 profit. It's not much. Let's see. I think it's 897. Let me change this again to lock in more just in case. 899. If it gets to 899, it's gonna sell and lock in profit. Let me check the other ones. Same, going down. Solana, Ethereum, still same. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going red. It's going red. Close. Bitcoin's taking off. Bitcoin is taking off. It's a good entry I should got in. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. Once they got that first green candle, they got in at 91,471, up 92. I usually trade Bitcoin. The main reason I like trading Bitcoin because it's 100x leverage. Make money real quick. Ethereum 100x leverage. Solana 100x leverage. Now, if you want a safe one, this is my favorite. AVAX. AVAX is a safe play that you put in the beginning of the week. $15. It's not gonna go. Your stop loss is not gonna go all the way down here with AVAX. AVAX is pretty damn consistent. Look at the chart. It's pretty damn consistent. It's pretty damn consistent AVAX. This is a $20, $25 stock. I mean, $20, $25 crypto in my eyes. But it's steady. Like we saw AVAX is steady. It's gonna go up to 15, 16, come back down. But the only thing I don't like about AVAX is the most you can do for leverage is 20x. That's the only thing. So I usually try to stick with the big 3, 50x to 100x or above. All right, so it's going up, going back up. We're at 898. Selling out at 899. So we'll see. Anybody got any questions? Any more questions? Home office hustler. Do you trade? Do you do any trading at all? I really want to hit 897 even. That's one thing. You can't rush this stuff, man. Don't you keep seeing that arrow, that red arrow going down like this? With 2 red arrows. Once the buy pressure is still going down, steady. And the only reason I like this, the Keltner channel, because once it goes above the Keltner channel, this blue line, once it goes above the top blue line, it usually comes back within these three bars. So I expect this red to go back down to about, at least right here, was 895. It may take some time, but it's going to get back down here. It's going to get right back down here. Like I said, remember guys, history repeats itself. History repeats itself. It's all cycles.
Sorry, I can't turn on your
Sorry, Siri. I'm talking to you. So, I see some green right here. Come on. Now let's go back up. Uh-oh, really taking off. What's going on? Let me knock out some more profit. 898. 898.50. Some profits. I can go get me some breakfast. The most I will lose is $12. Oops, what happened? Oh, let me refresh the screen. What the hell I do? What the hell I do just now? There we go. Let's add the Keltner channel back. Let's put that in my favorites as well. Oh my God. I don't know why it's so big. I do. What am I screwing up? Let me stop this. Let me go back into Foxify. Go back in. Share screen. I must read up my technical analysis or something. I mean, my technical indicators. I must have hit a button. I gotta figure out what I did wrong. It's my RSI. MACD. RSI. There we go. Bring that down. Bring that down. There we go. I'll fix this one more. There we go. Top of the count. Where we at? Let's try my BNB. I'm a BNB. All right, here we go. 897. That's all I want to see. Profit. Come on, go back down. So I can close up this thing. Oh, come on. Damn it. See me playing around with the technicals? Use my green. All right, see. Done some before on Astra. Yeah, man. Astra was hot. You know what? Astra is still hot. You can trade this on Astra too. For the airdrop, yeah. But if you go over here, you can also trade over here. You see, Astra. What I like about Astra is that during this bear market, it was staying the same with the 111, 112, even got up to 125. Which means once this bull market kind of hits this thing might take off. And a lot of people are in Astra. It's a lot of volume as well. But like I said, it doesn't move. The price doesn't move. So it's really not that much money you can make on Astra. It's not going to go up $2 or $3 or $4 like BNB or BCH or Solana or BNB. They got to find something with some volume in it, you know? We got another green candle. Still above the counter candle. But did not follow this strategy and lost money. If I did this strategy, I may have made money instead. Yeah. That's why I'm doing a live stream, buddy. Show you guys how easy it is. Use those two technical indicators. I wanted to go down to 897. You know what? I might just cash out my little dollar. I don't know, it's going to 897. There we go. Trending down now. Took a minute. Let me lock in some profits. $897. I might as well sell out now, right? Let me X out. 896. Do 897.50 lock in. All right, so I locked at 897.50. So it gets 897.50. Then automatically gonna cash out. 896. $11 profit. Still trending down. Still got the double arrows. $896.50s, $896.60. Now I'm about to be 50% off. I'm really tired of watching this. Lock in profit. All right, so now I'm locked in profit. Regardless, now I'm making $5 in this trade. I'm greedy. I'll take it safe. I'm playing a safe route, but I'm showing you guys you can play it safe and still make money. You know? It's all a wait and see game. And then once it goes back down, maybe later on today, I might go back in. Once this red comes all the way down here, and rinse and repeat again. How long we've been streaming? See, hour 20 minutes, And I'm at what, 70, 80 bucks profit now. It's a sharp downturn. Sharp downturn. You want to see when you're shorting something. Let's take a minute to get there. It's doing the same thing this one did, going down. Same thing this one did, going down. Same thing this one did, going down. Now, same thing this one did, going down. So technically, this should get all the way to about right here. It should. I don't know why my screen is still messed up. Gotta figure that out. Unless it did click something button. I don't know what I clicked, but gotta figure that out. I can't even see the numbers of it anymore. This one. A fits that into the screen. Okay. I'm just screwing everything up. Oh, Phil. So I just sold out. It just took me out. Profit. You see that when it popped up where it filled? So I'll end my day with the profit, guys. We're at 235. Not bad. Look at the history, order history. Took me out, making minus 123. So I made $67 today. And I followed strategy and lost money. How do you get the drawdown arrows? That's automatically. That's the basically trading view telling you that the sell pressure is going down. I mean, sell pressure is trending towards the bottom, trending towards sell. And then when it goes up, that's just saying it's going downward trend. And then when it goes up, you'll see it point red. I mean, like this green right here. You look at history. See where it says green, and you see it's about to go up. Red means it's about to go down. So locked out my profits. So right now it's going back up to 898, 95. I'm going to end the stream and maybe come back tomorrow, guys. Rinse and repeat. I got to do some shopping. But thank you, Home Office Hustler, for tuning in, and whoever else tuned in. And I'll see you guys on next live. Peace out.